Hey, it has been a long ass time that you haven't saw me, but here I am back, and I'm just gonna go to the gym right now. So go with me. Actually, it's the first time I'm back at my gym for longest time in my city, in my little village. So we'll see how it changes. Actually, right now, oh, freaking hurts. I've got like before I had keys, but now I've got these things like looks like they step up their game. So we will see how it actually looks like. But I'm curious about it. I'm gonna see what it looks like. Loads of things. I went through a lot of things since I haven't saw you guys. Let me show you and tell you what happened along this time. Let's go to the gym first. One of the reasons you maybe didn't saw me that much is because I wasn't comfortable about talking in public and outside. But right now I'm more, so I'm okay with that. But there is always that little fear that annoys me a lot. But I'm much more comfortable talking on camera right now. Actually, I'm on the open, and people are looking at me like I'm a crazy guy, but I don't care right now. Okay, so I don't know anything about how the gym is right now because they have changed things. Just only they have changed keys to some kind of pass, but we'll see how it is. Hey, so? Okay, so there is nothing. I just opened the door like, okay. Oh, they put a rack with dumbbells. That's actually pretty good. You don't see it right now, but here they are. I've been waiting for this for ages. Hey, it's definitely a bit special. I've been there for a long time, but it has been like, what, I would say it's 5 months that I didn't came here. But that's great that I'm back. And I've done some pretty great upgrades too, so that's great. So now let's go. I'm gonna do chest, triceps and head workout. Okay, so I have to be quick because I've got to go in like 10 minutes because I've got to go to a family party because it's Christmas Eve. I also wish you a happy Christmas and a happy New Year for all of you. And yes, why was I not here first and why did I need to get to this lifestyle of getting back to the gym? Because I didn't go to the gym for very long ass time. And that's for a reason, because in fact I was in love with a girl, and that girl, everything was fine, and I was like, okay, I'm confident, this girl made me confident about who I was. But the problem is that I stopped going to the gym a bit. Also, the problem is that she broke up with me, like 28th of November. After that, I was destroyed. I was thinking about going back to the gym, but I didn't have the thing to go in it. But because it was Black Friday and because I was destroyed mentally, I was like, that's the time to go. I was like, 3 months free? Hell yeah, let's do that shit. But I'm gonna tell you the things that helped me to go through these phases without any problems. Or I've got problems, but to be okay with it. The number one thing I've did, or at least I realized, is that I always have a last wall that is solid as fuck and that I can count on. Let me explain that. When she broke up with me, I was going on my way back to home, and actually a girl that is in my class sent me a post on Instagram that my school was searching for photographers to photograph an event. And I was like, that's a fucking sign, sometimes you're like, life is crazy, I was, this, it was like if life was telling me like, bro, you always got your thing, your work, your hustle, your passion that you love, and you can always count on it. You got also your friends that are always here for you. So that's a bit unfortunate that that's the end of it, but you always have something else, something to count on. And I really want you to bring you this thought. You always have, or at least you must always have something to count on when bad shit happens. For me, it's photo and video, marketing, and doing all the shit I do. But for you, maybe it's something different. Maybe it's like playing video games. Maybe it's talking to your best friends. I don't know, but you got to find that thing. Because when you find it, I'm gonna tell you, it helps a freaking lot. Because it was just reconnecting again and again. That's a bit unfortunate, but yes, you've got to find your thing. When you find your thing that you love, the thing you can always count on. You've got to find that thing. For me, it's my passion, my work, and my friends. And maybe sometimes, maybe my friends, maybe one day I will not be able to count on my friends anymore. So I've got to have something that I've got a total control on it, which is my work, my hustle, and my passion. Until I don't love it anymore, I always have that thing. So I wish this little thought helps you in any way possible. Please share, like, and comment. That will help me a lot. And I see you on the next one. And I'm glad to be back because I need to share a lot of things with you. And this is the beginning of a great adventure. A lot of things are going on. I've done a lot of things. A lot of things went through me, to me. And I just want to share them with you so you can get as much help as possible. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.